So now we're going to be looking at the vertex form of a quadratic equation. So what is vertex form? Vertex form is the equation y equals a times x minus h, not b, whole squared plus k. There should be an a there right now. It's going to come up later. So we can find a lot of things like the vertex of our graph of our parabola, and it will be h comma k. So h is like our x and k is like our y. So then our axis of symmetry will be x equals h, and if a in our equation, if that is greater than 0, then the graph opens upward. And if a is less than 0, then the graph opens downward. So if a is greater than 0, then it has a minimum. And if a is less than 0, then it has a maximum. So now let's look at an example. So let's put the equation y equals x minus 2 squared minus 3 into vertex form. And now we have to list all the information that it gives us. So this already is in vertex form for us. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So 2 equals our h, a equals 1, and k equals negative 3. Remember that it's x minus h, not x plus h. So our vertex will be 2, 3, and our axis of symmetry will be x equals 2. Our graph will open upward because our a, 1, is greater than 0. It's supposed to be 0 right there, not 1. So now, let's look at our next example. Next equation is y equals 2 times x plus 3 squared plus 1. So our a equals 2, h equals negative 3, and k equals 1. So our vertex will be hk, so that is negative 3, 1. Our axis of symmetry is x equals h, so that would be x equals negative 3. And our graph opens upward because 2 is greater than 0. Again, I wrote x is greater than 1. It should be x is greater than 0 because x is 2. So that is what the vertex form of a quadratic equation gives you.